Hello and welcome to Pharma Television News Review here at the Japan Biotech Forum at the Royal Society in London. On this show, I have Masaaki Fujiwara, who is the CEO of a company called Chiome Biosciences, which is based in Japan. Welcome to the show.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Your company is an antibody-specific company,
right.
Specializing in antibodies. Could you tell us the origin of your company?
Yes.
And a little bit about what your company actually does?
Yeah, we are based on the platform technology for antibody generation. The technology we named ADLIB. That abbreviation comes from autonomously diversifying library.
Yes.
And the technology itself was discovered by the RIKEN institution. RIKEN is one of the largest institutions in Japan. They are helping a lot from the Japanese government. And they can provide seed technology or seed products. And they have a unique system named the RIKEN Venture Support System. So they would like to support the startup company because as a startup company don't have enough cash and space and people. So they provide some space for the research, and also they are willing to have a collaborative support with the startup company.
Sure. No, that's very important. Now, the other thing, of course, is your company's business model, because you're, as you said, you're focused on antibodies. You've got the ADLIB technology that underpins that.
Yeah.
You actually have revenues. You've got cash coming in because you sell the antibodies that you generate as well.
Yeah.
Could you tell us about that business model?
Yeah, we have three business models. One is the collaboration with a pharmaceutical company. Now is a main model for Chiome, and so the scheme is very simple. Once we conclude the contract, and the company collaborator will pay us for upfront, and also they provide a research fund for the duration. And then if we got a nice candidate for the antibody, they can give us a milestone payment. And at the end, if the candidate got approval, so they will pay a royalty. So now we have a collaboration with Chugai and Novartis. And this is one. And the other is licensing for the antibody, so by using this technology by myself. And the third one is licensing the technology itself. We are standardized very much, so we can start the licensing the ADLIB system to the pharmaceutical companies.
Right. So you've got three-pronged approach to your business model.
Right.
Each of them hopefully generating revenues at different points.
Right.
In the business cycle. So, so tell us a little bit about this ADLIB technology, because as you say, it underpins your capabilities.
Yes, ADLIB system is a cellular antibody generation system. Each cell expresses the antibody to the surface, but our technology able to make the cell to express a different antibody. So we can create a huge, diverse cellular library express a different type of antibodies. So if you give us a cancer-specific antigen, we make a conjugation with magnetic beads to make a fishing tool, and we fish the specific clone which recognize the antigen, and easily pick up by using magnet.
Right.
So once we pick up several or sometimes more than 100 clones, we make limiting dilution, and to cultivate just a week, the cell expresses surfaced antibody and also simultaneously expressed to the culture media the same specific antibody.
Right.
So we can provide the culture media containing the specific antibody. So the collaborator can check the function or sometimes binding, whatever.
Right. So it's really an enrichment process to identify specific antibodies,
Yes.
and then provides you with the appropriate clone ultimately
Right.
that will generate the antibodies
Yeah.
for research and hopefully onto products that will be of therapeutic use.
Yes, and
ultimately.
the speed is very short.
So the
compared to
advantage is very quick.
quick speed.
Right.
Yes.
Okay. So, could you tell us about what products yourselves are generating? What programs do you have? Because you said that you've got collaborations with pharmaceutical companies, and then you've got your own internal
Yes.
research program. Tell us a little bit about
Yes.
that.
Currently, our most advanced product is antibody against semaphorin 3A. The molecule is playing a main role in the nerve cell elongation. So the application would be spinal cord injury. This is the most advanced. But we have a few pipelines based on the collaboration with the Japanese academia, one of the cancer research institution in Japan. So it's a little bit too early, but we can generate the pipeline sequentially. So, but as you mentioned, it takes a time. So meantime, we need to generate the cash from the collaboration type, and then after that, we like to generate the pipeline itself and to license, or sometimes to co-develop agreement.
Okay. Now, with the research programs that you currently got underway and the products that you're looking at, are those all still preclinical? They're all at the preclinical stage, or have you got anything yet in clinic?
Yeah, and still just before the preclinical stage.
So it's still at the discovery stage, identifying specific antibodies that could be of therapeutic value.
Yes.
Okay. So where do you see Chiome going forward? I mean, what type of business do you see that in the next 3 to 4 years?
Yeah, and as you know, we are very small. Therefore, we don't want to make a huge facility. So, therefore, we start licensing the technology itself mainly to the large pharmaceutical company. So, it's the most non-risk type of deals. And then, meantime, as I mentioned, we develop the pipelines by ourselves.
Masa Fujiwara, thank you very much for coming on the show.